Welcome! Brooklyn Weekend to Do, November 30 to December 2, 2012. Hey, there will be a Paloma live in concert this coming Friday, November 30, 2012. Event will be at 19 Factory, Metropolitan Avenue, Brooklyn. Don't miss it! Hey guys, watch out for the Miguel Migs live in concert this coming Saturday, December 1, 2012. Event will be at Brooklyn Loft, Brooklyn, New York. Be there and enjoy the concert. Guys! There will be a Disney on Ice's Rockin' Ever After this coming December 2, 2012 at 11 a.m. on various days Barclays Center. Get directions Atlantic Avenue, Brooklyn. All of your favorite Disney's characters will complete to be the next superstars in comical segments. So go there and be part of it!